Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can create 12 hours time frame in NinjaTrader. So what you'll need to do is go right here to the top of your screen and click configure. After that, make sure for the intervals it is selected by minute, and here where it says values, let's add a new value. For the label, let's write 12 hours, and right here where it says data series value, this is the 1 minute. So if we multiply 12 by 60, we get 720 minutes. So enter that, click OK, and click apply and OK again. And right now, if you want to select 12 hours time frame, just go right here and select on 12 hours. And as you can see, now we have 12 hours time frame. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.